In first period, we see the content of the story, and now we are going to learn the story that is given in the text. First of all, I read this story, you will listen in your text. Understand? So open your text at page number 7 and focus on the textbook. I will read this story. One day, a wild boar was sharpening his tusk against the bark of tree. He was doing very carefully. There lived a fox in the same forest. He was always looking for a chance to make fun of other animals in the forest. When he saw the wild boar, he decided to tease him. He began to walk around the tree, look after it, left and right, up and down. He also began to act as if he was really scared. But the boar did not pay attention to him. He kept right on his work. So at last, the fox said with a grin, "Why are you doing that? I tried very hard, but you did not see any hidden enemy or danger." "True," replied the boar. "Just now there may not be any danger, but when it really comes, there won't be any time to sharpen my hooks. My weapons have to ready for us then. If I am not ready, I will have to suffer." This story tells us that it is the best to prepare. Do not leave things to be done at the last minute. So in this story, what is the important thing in this page? The important sentence in this page is the last two sentences. And which are those sentences? This story tells us that it is best to prepare. Don't leave things to be done at the last moment. And that's why we are doing here such type of education. Our classes are closed, our school is closed, but the process of teaching is still start because we want to ready. Because we want to ready at any condition. शाळा बंद आहे म्हणून काय झालं? शाळा बंद आहे म्हणून काय शिक्षण बंद? नो, नॉट ॲट ऑल. शाळा जरी बंद असली तरीही आमचं शिक्षण चालू आहे. वी आर रेडी फॉर एज्युकेशन बाय एनी वे. बट द प्रोसेस ऑफ लर्निंग, द प्रोसेस ऑफ टीचिंग, that is important. Now we can see the story. One day the wild boar was sharpening his tusk against the bark of tree. He was doing very carefully. There lived a fox in the same forest. He was always looking for a chance to make a fun of other animals in forest. There was a forest, and in the forest there are so many animals. But in our story, only two animals are mentioned. That is boar and the fox. Boar, रानडुक्कर. आपल्या इकडे जे डुक्कर दिसतात त्यापेक्षा रानडुक्कर वेगळं असतं. रानडुकराला असे दोन मोठे सुळे दात असतात. And what is that? That is the tusk. That teeth are said to be tusk, सुळेदार. And what the boar was doing? The boar was sharpening his tusk very carefully. He was doing that process of sharpening his tusk very carefully. At the same time, अगदी त्याच वेळी त्या ठिकाणी कोल्हुबा आले. कोल्हा फारला पडत आणि त्या कोल्ह्याची एक हैसियत होती. काय हैसियत होती? He was always looking chance to make a fun of other animal in forest. That foxes always give trouble to the other animal. That fox like to tease the other animal. पुष्कळ लोकांना सवय असते पिंगलटवाळी करायची विनाकारण काय गरज नाही. पण हा असा आहे तो तसा आहे तो फलाना आहे तो दिसताना आहे त्यांनी असंच केलं त्याला काय गरज. जस्ट लाईक दॅट. And that characteristics are found in the fox. He always liked to make a fun of other animals. He wanted to chant, and that's why he came there in front of the boar. When he saw the wild boar was decided to tease him, he began to walk around the tree, looking left and right, up and down. The fox was going here and there, to and fro. He was watching up and down. But the boar did not give response to him. Boar did not respond to him. He was busy in his work. He also began to act as if he was really scared. He began to act as he began to scare. But the bear did not pay attention to him. Till the boar did not pay attention to the boar. He saw that he was scared. He kept right with his work. He is focused on his work to sharp his hooks. At last the fox said with a grin, "Why you are doing that? I tried very hard, but I did not see any hidden animal or danger." So at last, the fox said to the boar, "Why you are doing this? I tried very hard to focus me on myself, but you did not give me pay attention. And I saw there is no enemy, there is no danger, there is no other animal until you are sharpening your hooks. Why you waste your time? We are talking with each other. We have a lot of fun now." But the boar said, "True," replied the boar. What did the boar say? That is most important. The boar said, "Yes, you are right. Now there is no danger. Now there is no enemy. Now there is no bigger animal as compared to me. But just now there may not be any danger, but when it really comes, there won't be any time to sharpen my hooks. My weapons have to be ready for us then. If I am not ready, I will have to suffer. Now at this time there is no enemy, there is no animal, there is no bigger animal as compared to me. But consider if any animal will come in front of me at any moment, what I will do? I may be tied. I will suffer from that bigger animal. So I am always ready to defend with him. त्याच्यासोबत प्रतिकार करायला मी नेहमी सज्ज राहण्यासाठी प्रयत्न करीत आहे. My weapons have to ready for them. And what is his weapons? The weapon of both is his pointed and sharpened hooks. My weapon is this hooks. And so I make them sharp. And that my weapon, that my hooks are make me safe from any animal, any enemy. And that's why I am always ready. This story tells us that it is best to prepare. What this story tells us? What is the purpose of this story? The purpose is most important. मी माझ्या आधीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये तुम्हाला सांगितलं की ही एक बोधकथा आहे. So what is the purpose? That is most important. So at any condition, at any moment, we are got ready with our concerning subject. जो कोणता आपला विषय असेल त्या विषयाशी संबंधित आपण नेहमी तयार असायला हवं. Don't you think to be done at a last minute. We do not give anything. Give up. सोडून द्या. We are always prepared at the last moment. We are always depend up to the last moment. That is the main purpose of this story. So in last month, the position of our boundary was very critical against China. चीन सोबत बाउंड्री वरती आपली परिस्थिती अतिशय खराब होती. आपली परिस्थिती म्हणजे युद्धजन्य परिस्थिती होती. But we are doing good job. Our army did very good job. Why? Because they are get ready. Because they are get ready. And so China go back. आणि म्हणून आपला शत्रू माघारी गेला. If we are not prepared, जर आपली भारतीय आर्मी तयार नसती तर they enter in our country. So always be prepared. Now concerning to your age, now what you have to do? What you want to prepare? You want to prepare now to stay at home, safe at home, study at home, and watch our all teachers video again and again, and study with the help of text and study with the help of that videos. That is your job now in those days according to this small story. The process of teaching, the process of study will continue in unfavorable condition. प्रतिकूल परिस्थितीमध्ये सुद्धा शिकण्याचं आणि शिकवण्याचं काम हे मी सुद्धा करतोय आणि तुम्ही सुद्धा केलंच पाहिजे. We do not give up it. आपण ते सोडून द्यायचं नाही. कोरोना आहे, कोरोना आहे, कोरोना आहे, कोरोना आहे खाते का? घरी बसलं तर घरी बसा, मस्त राहा, अभ्यास करा, छान राहा. लवकरच आपण भेट. धन्यवाद.